Hi guys, happy back from Catholic Schools Week Monday. I want to do something kind of fun because this, what is it, Sunday is Valentine's Day. So here's what I want to do. I want to show you this website and then have you make one of your own. So this shouldn't take long. Let's go to Internet Explorer. It's super important that you do Internet Explorer because it uses a certain kind of flash called Microsoft Silverlight. And so it does not work in Chrome. It only works in Internet Explorer. So make sure you click on the blue E and not the Chrome circle. And we are going to a website called taxedo.com, tagsedo.com. Okay, if you don't type it in correctly, that's okay. You'll get a Google page and just click it. You'll get there. Okay, once on the Taxedo page, it's got lots of cool stuff that shows you, what we could do with it. We're going to go to Create. Okay, and it's going to look something like this. We are going to start at the top with Load. This is where you're going to input all your words. Okay, so let's do, since we're talking Valentine's Day, things that you love. So I'm going to start off with the word love, and maybe mom, dad. Let's do my brothers and sister. This will just be my family. And maybe the dogs too. So if you notice, I am not doing commas, I am not doing anything other than spaces between my words, and this differentiates it to the program. So it's not going to slur together Jeff, Jennifer, Elise. They're separate. They are separate words. Now when I get further down, because I want to do my dogs, I might do stuff like, I also love family, and uncles, and aunts, cousins, my nieces and nephews. And then we could also do, what other things might you love to do? So watch Doctor Who. Now notice there are no spaces there. There are no spaces in watch Doctor Who. There's also no periods. This will treat it as one word, so it'll all show up together instead of separately all over the place. And this word, it's basically a Wordle. This Wordle will look better with you having more words. So type in as many words as you can possibly think of that apply to things that you love. I think that's it for now. Now the other thing I wanted to point out is some of these words, it would make sense and be okay to just not put any kind of marking between them. Laser tag, you're going to be able to read that. This one, building snowmen, it might be more difficult to read, but if I capitalize, it'll be easier to kind of figure out where the words actually break without putting a space in between it. So then I'm going to hit submit. Remember, you can put in as many as you want. Take your time. Be comprehensive. It's going to be amazing if you put more words in. So I'm going to hit submit. And then down here at the bottom, it's thinking about it. And there are my words. Now, you'll notice the biggest words are the ones that I put at the beginning. So make sure you put your most important things first. And then from here, I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. From here, we can change the theme. So if we like the colors the way they are, we'll just respin the colors. It's going to be thinking. There we go. If we want to change the colors, we can change the whole theme. Okay, and there are a lot. So find something that works for you. Meh. Lots of good options. Okay, so the colors are kind of cool and different, and we can actually then go and let's change the shape. So we have a couple options. Since we're doing Valentine's Day, let's either choose love, and it's thinking I'm gonna show you what that one looks like. Okay, so we can either do love, or we can do down here there's a couple different kinds of hearts. So if you want to do hearts, that's cool too. And so it'll kind of look like this. And now that I'm seeing it in that shape, I'm like, let's do a different color. So it'll look something like this. Really cool, huh? And then the other thing that we can do is we can change the font out. We can get rid of a couple of these if you don't like them. Or, you know, respin these so that you get something different until you find something that you like. And we'll just kind of refresh that. Okay, so if you like the way that it looks, great. Let's go to save it. We're gonna save the image as, let's do a 16 megapixel JPEG. And then you'll get the opportunity of where to save it. I want you guys to save it to the server under SmartTime Stuff, and I'm going to create a folder called Valentine's Day Tagsedo, and then make sure you save it as your name. I'd love to print these out on cardstock and in color so we can hang them, but I can't do it without your name on it. So it has to have your name. And then I'll print them out and hopefully I'll get them back to you. And that's all I have. So I think that's it. Have fun with this, guys. Great project.